Here's how to make a cappuccino yogurt. Our first ingredient is 1 cup of plain yogurt. Next, we'll be using Watkins coffee extract and Watkins Vanilla. First off, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of coffee extract, and that's going to be 1 capful. Our next ingredient is 1 teaspoon or 1 capful of vanilla. Next, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of honey on top. You can add any kind of sweetener you want. All right, next is to give it a little stir. You want to stir it to combine. And then we're going to top it off with a little bit of cinnamon to make it extra cappuccino-y. Recipe is in the comments. Make it!